Welcome. In front of me is a MatePad T10, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. And starting off, all you need to do really is pull down the notification panel, like so, extend it, and you should find the toggle right over here, at least that's where it is for me. So you can tap on it, it will bring up a couple windows to allow access to storage and a microphone so it can record. And then it gives you information that during screen recording, all operations on the screen will be recorded. Well, obviously that's the point of it. So just tap on OK. And then it gives us a brief overview of the settings that we have here, and they are really limited. So we can toggle on off microphone and pause or stop the recording. So let's tap on got it. And it automatically starts recording with the mic on, so I just turned it off, and you can see there is a timer right now how long it's been recording. So whatever I will do right now will be recorded. And additional thing that I'll mention, as you can see me scrolling through the screen, there is a little dot following it, as you can see right over here. So that dot is basically where my finger is pressing, so this will be visible on the recording because my finger isn't. So you can actually figure out where someone was pressing or what that person was opening. And then once you're done with it, simply tap on this button right here, the red one, boom, stop it, and you can see that the recording was saved. So now we can go to our gallery right over here. Again, let's just confirm whatever it pops up with, and you should see the recording right over here. Now you can also find it in albums under screenshots right here. So whichever way you go about it, it's completely up to you, but from here you can tap on play, and again we need to allow access to media, and give it a second. It's right now playing, I believe. Yep, there it goes. So as you can see, this is basically the recording, not much to it. You can only record the microphone. There is no sound system going on, so if you are playing music or any kind of gameplay, the sound from that game would be completely lost. So that's a little bit of a shame. And there's basically no settings furthermore to it, so no resolution, frame rates, nothing like that. But yeah, that is basically how you would record your screen anyway. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.